everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a casting that's called Vairstrike. It's new for 2026. It's by Hot Wheels, and if I'm not wrong, it's a modified corvair. Looks like the front looks like a corvair. You can see in the picture. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Vairstrike out of its box, and let me start from the front. If you look at the front, that's definitely a corvair front, but this is heavily modified, so that's why it's called Vairstrike. Still, let's talk about it. Miss it on mirrors and windshield wipers, so I'm pretty sure it's based on corvair now. If you don't know, corvair it's not a front engine car, so engine is in the back. That's why you don't have a grill in the front. You've got the quad headlamp setup. This bumper and those extra set of auxiliary lights are definitely the part of the modification. Now on the driver's side, wheels look nice. We don't normally see on those older cars, but this one, because it's modified, it looks good. So does the door. If you see, there's a body kit going there, and there's, I don't know, it looks like a chrome. Is that like a, I don't know what it is. Maybe they have a frame inside, but the doors are from corvair, but then the fenders are modified. I don't know, it's very different. Yeah, and in the side you can see how there's a cutout, and they have a spoiler in the back. There's something written in Japanese, I don't know what that is. You got the Hot Wheels logo. Paint looks like it's like matte yellow. Coming to the back, again you can see it's heavily modified. You got these wings, this more like what you see on Indy cars, I guess so. So it's very different, not like usual wing. Quad headlamp, again no painted details. Sorry, quad tail lamp, no painted details. You got a diffuser in the bottom, and you can see the bumpers modified obviously. Passenger side looks almost identical. Now let's see it from the top. So that's where the engine is. You got another set of spoilers, and it looks like it's heavily modified. I can see some, I don't know if it's a supercharger or turbocharger, but those are those mounted on the top. And from the top again, it looks good. It looks like there's a skull here, some kind of design. I don't know what that is. If you guys know, please leave a comment. Glass is tinted, but you can see there are seats inside and a dash. I'm assuming it's chrome because of all the chrome here. This is how it looks from the bottom. So no major details. It's plastic base. Overall, well, it's a modified corvair. It definitely has some good details, but still misses on a lot of details. But again, it depends on you. If you like these modified cars, I think Hot Wheels did a Camaro just like this, the classic Camaro. And yeah, this is what Hot Wheels does. Hot Wheels will have modified vehicles in their lineup. Matchbox is more towards the actual vehicle. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Paint looks good. Can definitely use some more details. Otherwise, I think it's a good looking casting. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.